HVAC people!
All right, so I got no cooling coil here. The homeowner said that the units are old. They have a tenant here. That's all I know so far. So looks like you're waving at me. They got dogs in there. All right, let's get started. See if I can get some foot.
That copper line there was what looked like was leaking. It was all wet.
Okay.
And it wasn't wet out at all.
Okay.
It wasn't even turning on yesterday. I turned it on. That little one might be for downstairs. It might be the big one.
Might be the big one.
Yeah, I just turned it off.
Okay.
But there was something leaking out of it. It was wet as hell.
Yeah, but that's fine. That's just the suction line. They use the sweat. Yeah, we kind of want this what we call like beer can code.
Okay.
For lack of a better word.
Yeah.
So that's fine.
Yeah,
Okay.
so this
So
is
that's
upstairs. Yeah.
Okay. So that's upstairs. You say that was cooling fine?
No, downstairs is working fine.
Okay, so this
one's working fine. This one wasn't.
I got you.
Yeah.
The compressor not on. So you see this one blowing cool there?
Yeah.
You feel it?
Yeah.
It's blowing the ambient air. Now turn this one on right here. You're gonna see it's warm, hot. So you can turn this one back off. Well, actually, yeah. You can feel it. This one's blowing. You can tell this one's pretty good. I'm gonna check both of them though since I'm here.
Okay. And so it's supposed to be blowing hot air?
Oh yeah, down here. Yeah. We're actually supposed to be about a 10 to 15 degree difference. From, let's say if it's 80 degrees ambient, it's supposed to be probably blowing about 95 degrees out here.
Okay. Yeah, this one ain't kicking on though. It takes a minute. It says delayed right now.
Yeah. This one may be some sample pop back capacitor.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
It's about 80 degrees out here. So
yeah.
See that temperature start going up. Different though, so it's probably 20 degree different. And this one here is probably going about 80 degrees out. So it's just the ambient thing. So we want this warm. The inside, of course, is going to get cold.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. Yep.
They let me know if you need me.
Do you know where the breaker for these? I see the wires going in here. Right here? Yep. Okay. So this unit here seems like the fan. I'm going to go ahead and hook my gauges up. I got both units off at the disconnect. That unit seems to be running fine. It's a lot of water, seems like inside that insulation, but it's a hole right there, so I don't know if that's rainwater or has it been freezing up. Like a 5-ton unit. Suction line pressure 236. All right, so both pressures are equalized at 237, which is pretty good. So we know we have refrigerant. So the fan was running, my breaker's not tripped, so it might just be a bad capacitor around this time of year. Capacitors, that's what failed. Yeah, it'll give me some more drill bit using my Pookie drill bit, Pookie buster. All right, so we're
Make sure we don't have any power. That seems like an alarm right there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got a 4. So we got a lock rotor. A lock rotor. So let's check this capacitor. So I'm going to verify voltage first. Be on the safe side. So I got 0. So I got 0 there. Check the microfarads on here. So from my contactor to the compressor, I got 7.7. So we know that's not going to be good enough. That's not going to be good enough to turn that compressor on. 7.7. Let's see what we get from the fan. And I got 4.5. And I got 4.5. Next move is to see what this capacitor is rated for. The extended clip. So this is rated for 35. 35.5. So we can get a good connection, make sure. So we'll read 0 that time. Yeah, I'm reading it's about a 7. So we'll run the truck and grab a 35.5. All right. I'm glad I looked at that. As you see, that capacitor is 30 by 5. I got 35 by 5 written on this box. So I need to go run and get another one. Alright, so this is the correct one. 35 by 5, that's what I need. That's good. So we get ready to turn it on and see what it would do. Warm air out there now. So I'm gonna let that run for a while. I'm gonna check the sub cooling on it, but I'm gonna go in the attic and just take a look around, make sure everything good. All right. Older furnaces. So I like to just get up here and look around. A lot of times we come up here, the drain pan could be full. Everything look good over on that end. Take a peek at this one. She got a newer furnace. Drain line doesn't have the clean out. So these are the owners of the house where I did that, where I had that rusty drain pan, and I did all I could to try to fix it, but this is another one of their rental houses. But the pressures look good, so look like it just needed a cap. I tell them they probably want to get a flow switch on here. Flow switch and a clean out. Alright, so I'm gonna end this video though. We'll just replace the cap.